Well, there are three main building blocks in this training. First, we will start with a reflection on your actual organizational pricing maturity, discuss a proven path towards pricing excellence, and explore the main challenges that you will encounter in your own pricing journey. And we will help you how to prioritize doing the right things in the right moments right. Second, we will dive into the core topics of pricing, of course tackling the pricing strategy issues, exploring the most important pricing plans to choose between, and learn about the most used price setting techniques, starting from the basics to the most sophisticated price setting techniques. 3, we will finally zoom in the practice of value-based pricing, not just the theory, not just the principles, but really how to set a value-based price in practice using the right tools. We will tackle the knowledge gaps to define your value-based price, and which research tools will help you to define your own value-based price. Finally, we will zoom into the practice of economic value calculation, how to demonstrate, calculate, and prove your value in economic terms. These are the most important topics of this training. Of course, we will discuss also other more special topics about how to deal with aggressive price competitors, discount strategies and policy and structures, and more specific topics. But there's plenty of time to have your own cases and your own reflection bringing into the training. I really look forward to meeting you.